right. Really fast, we're going to go through the even sides. The first thing we need to know is that if there is no equal sign, it is called an expression. This first thing has no equal sign. It is called an expression. I've got negative 3x squared. Do you see any other x squareds? Nope. So we're going to bring that straight down. I've got negative xy. Do you see any more xy's? Yeah, negative 3 of them, right? So negative 1xy, negative 3xy, these get to combine like terms, and I get negative 4xy. And then I get to add 5 at the end because 5 doesn't get to go with anything else. And that's it. I'm done. I've got no equal sign here. It is just an expression. We are just combining like terms. Number 4 is different. Number 4 is an equation. Good morning. Go ahead and grab papers from off of my chair. Number 4 is different. It is an equation. I'm going to distribute that 4 because of the parentheses. When I distribute, do I add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Multiply. 4 times 2 is? What? 4 times 4 is? Equals 40. I do not multiply out to that 40. It is outside of parentheses. It does not get distributed to. Now what?
Add 16 to 40.
Add 16 to both sides. This gives me 56 equals 8y. Now what?
There's only 8 on both sides.
And I get?
7.
Please box your answer. Write an equivalent expression. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. There's no equal sign. It is called an expression. By distributing the negative sign. If I distribute the negative sign, I get negative 6b, and then what?
Negative b and negative 4.
Are you all the way done with simplifying this expression? Why not? Because I can combine like terms where? And I get?
7.
So I got negative 7b minus 4. Going down. Is 8 an expression or an equation? An equation. What's your hint? There's an equal sign.
Wait, the last one was negative 7b and negative 4.
Yep. So I divide by negative 12 on both sides. It cancels on the left, and I get just x. On the right, I get 48 divided by negative 12 gives me
4. Negative 4?
That's me. Make sure you box your answer.
I thought this was not leave the negative thing. I thought that was supposed to be close.
When I have a negative next to the x is not alone. So that's a big problem.
Okay.
So if we get a negative for our answer on the right-hand side, we're chilling. But if it's on the left with the x, we've got a problem. We got to divide and switch signs.
Okay. So if it's on the right,
It's
a
good.
positive.
Nope, it's still negative. So it's just negative 4. Because I did a positive divided by a negative gives me a negative. I even type that into your calculator and double check. You go all the way over where Mia is, second row down. All the way over where Mia is. Mia, raise your hand. Looking for a pencil, second drawer down. Okay. Is this an equation or an expression? What's your hint?
equal sign?
The equal sign. The equal sign tells you it's an equation. How do I solve this?
32 to both sides.
I am trying to get x by itself. I'm going to add 32 to both sides. When I do that, something bad happens. What is it?
0.
This cancels out, and we must put a 0 placeholder. It cancels out the whole side. If the whole side goes away, if there is nothing there, that is your hint to put a 0. Now what?
Opposite.
Ooh, not yet. I divide. I've got x hanging out with 11. I don't want that to happen. I need to get rid of that 11 by dividing. And I get x equals 0. Doesn't change your answer a whole bunch, but remember, Storker's vindictive. I want my x alone, all by itself. Can't be hanging out with 11. I'm on your next page. It is an expression if there is no equal sign. It is an equation if there's an equal sign. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. This whole section is what your paper test looks like. Everything we just did is like your Delta Math tests. And we already did the Delta Math version in a review. Now we're doing paper test. What does it look like? This is what it looks like. Go ahead and give it a try for the next 10 minutes. Go through, let's see what you can do, and then we'll grade it together.